name is Nok. Welcome to our 7-Eleven. I have worked here for almost 1 year now, so I know our food very well. If you are visiting Thailand or thinking about moving here, there is something you should know. Our food is not like convenience store food in your country. Here you can find real meals, quick, simple, and surprisingly good. Let me show you. This is one of our most popular dishes, rice with basil chicken. We call it pad krapao. You choose it, bring it to the counter, and we heat it for you. In just a minute, it is ready to eat. And the price, usually around 35 to 45 baht. We also have fried rice, green curry, spaghetti, even omelette with rice. Most meals, between 30 and 50 baht, all freshly heated. Right here in the store. Hungry in the morning? We have toasties, ham and cheese, or sausage, crispy outside, hot and soft inside, only about 25 to 35 baht. Many visitors tell me they come back for these every day, and if you want something light, we have snacks, yogurt, fruit, and desserts. Everything is quick, everything is easy, and the price is very friendly. Oh, and one more thing. If you stay in Thailand a little longer, you can download the 7-Eleven app, which lets you order food for delivery or pickup. You can collect points, get discounts, and sometimes special offers on food. Many local people use it every day. It's mostly in Thai, so it can be a bit tricky if you don't read the language. Most visitors won't use it, but it's there. So next time you visit a 7-Eleven in Thailand, don't just walk past the food, try it. You might be surprised. Thank you for visiting our store. I hope to see you again soon.
Hi, this is Chris again, and yes, I've upgraded. Now I come with home delivery. Thanks to Nok for showing us around the 7-Eleven. But here in Chiang Mai, it gets even better. You don't even have to go to the store. Just order, and your food comes to you. Fast, easy, courtesy of the gig economy, and maybe delivered by my cousin. If you enjoyed this video, go on, press the YouTube buttons. You know you want to, like, subscribe, and follow along for more. And if you're thinking about Chiang Mai, take a look at the Chiang Mai book. It will save you time, money, and a few surprises. See you in the next video. Oh, drat. Has anyone seen my crash helmet? There is now a maximum baht 2,000 fine for not wearing one in Thailand.